Hey guys, we are getting ready to go into our math lesson for this week. Our I can statement and our learning goal is I can add and subtract within 10. So we'll be working on some addition, and that is with our plus sign, and some subtraction, and that is with our minus sign. And the biggest number that we will use will be 10. And here's me just thinking about addition and subtraction. I just love it so much. I think we're going to do such a great job. I feel like we've been doing a lot of it anyway. So I'm really hopeful that what we do together now is going to be super, super easy. So we are going to do this addition and subtraction, and we are going to do these problems, but we are going to use a different tool that we haven't used yet. And we are going to work with a number line. So I've already got a lot of these started, and I just wanted you guys to be exposed to this, to try to use this number line, just because it's something, it's just another tool that'll help you. I remember you guys had this on your desk, and you might have it on your desk next year too. So I thought it would be a good idea for you guys to go ahead and see it. So, like I said, this is something that you guys have been doing. If you have manipulatives at home, like maybe you have pennies or toys that you could use to help you with these problems, you could also do that too. For instance, let's start with this problem right here. 2 plus 3 equals something. If you had 2 pennies and then you wanted to add 3 more, having those pennies or something like that might really help you with these problems. But like I said, we're going to use these tools today, so it's totally up to you what you decide to use when you're working on your own. So here's my number line. You can see it starts at 0 and it goes all the way to 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to read your equation, 2 plus 3, and you're going to do the same thing that your equation does. So your equation starts at 2. I have my little dot right here, and I also am going to start at 2. And then I'm going to go up 3. Now here's the thing with the number line. You don't count the number that you're already on. So I already have a dot right here, so I'm not going to count it. And I'm going to move 3. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. Okay, that number is 5. I'm going to take my little dot right here, and I'll move my dot to 5. So 2 plus 3 more equals 5. Alright, let's try another addition problem. 4 plus 4, I'm going to click down here. 4 plus 4. So what number do you start at? 4, absolutely. So there's my 4, that's where I'm going to start. Now I'm going to go up 4 more. 1, so I'm at 4. Remember, you don't count the number that you're on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to stop there because you're supposed to go up 4. So 4 plus 4 more, what number did I end on? Oh, 8. I'm just going to put my 8 right there. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then I have this awesome tool that helps me do all of these problems. Alright. So my next one says 1 plus 5. You're going to start on 1. You're going to go up 5. So 1, let me get my dot so I know I can just place that right there on that little number line tick to stop. I'm going to move 5 numbers. Remember, you don't count the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put my little dot right there. Oh, 1 plus 5 is 6. Another thing I think it's very important to realize is that your dot goes right there on that line. The numbers represent how many lines, how many tick marks that you have. We're not putting our dots in this space right here. No, no, no. We're putting our dots on these lines. So let's do some more addition.
Did not know.
Shh. So you're going to start at 7. He's interested in these numbers. And then you're going to go up 2. So there's my 7. We're going to move it up 2. We're going to say 1, 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Alright, oh, this one's going to be very, very interesting. This one says 8 plus 0. So you're going to get your dot, you're going to go 8. And you're going to move 0 times. Oh, well, if I don't move anywhere, I'm going to leave my dot right there. So if I move 0 times, 8 plus 0 is 8. Yeah, it's just going to stay the same. And then the last addition problem that we're going to do together is this one right here. It says 9 plus 1. So you're going to start at 9.
It's baby shark blanket.
Remember, you're not going to count the number that you're on. So here I am at 9. I'm going to move up 1. Ready? 1. There I go. 9 plus 1 is what, everybody? It's 10. Whoa, gotta make that box a little bit bigger. There we go. Great job with addition. And now, guys, we're going to do some subtraction. And we're still going to use this exact same tool. So, subtraction, remember, means that you're taking things away. So now we're not adding, we won't be getting bigger. We'll be taking away, so our numbers will be getting smaller. So I'm going to start at 7, same way as my addition. I'm going to take 3 away. I'm going to go down 3 little marks. I'm at 7. I'm not going to count the number that I'm on. 1, 2, 3. I went back 3. 1, 2, 3. And 7 minus 3 is 4. We're going to do the same thing for this problem. 4 minus 2. We're going to start at 4. We're going to go back 2. Ready? 1 mark, 2 marks. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then here's another one. That weird 0 number. I feel like it always tricks us up some. I'm going to start at 2. I'm going to go back 0 times. Yeah, so I don't move. I just stay right there. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Do you realize anything with those zeros? If you take 0 away or you add 0, you just stay at whatever number that you started with. Because 0 is absolutely nothing. If I have $0 in my pocket, then I don't have any money in my pocket. If you move 0 times, you don't move at all. That's a good thing to remember about that number 0. Alright, we're going to do 3 more. 9 minus 5. What does that equal? Whoa. Well, that's a lot. Let's start at 9. We're going to move back 5 times. Remember, we're moving back down towards 0 because we're taking away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 5. What number did I land on? 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Oh, here's another really interesting one. 3 minus 3. Now, these ones I feel like we should be able to do in our head. 3, and you take 3 away. Hold up 3 fingers. Take all 3 fingers away. How many fingers are you left with? Let's see if that's the same as when we use our number line. 1, 2, 3. What number did I land on? 0. Yeah, if you hold 3 fingers up and you take all 3 fingers away, then you don't have any left. So our number is going to be 0. Last one, it's another really big one. 8 minus 6. I'm going to start at 8. I already have my dot there. I'm going to go back 6. Remember, we're going back because it's minus. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 8 minus 6 is 2. Alright guys, you did such an amazing job today, and I will see you later.